Hello everyone, welcome to this video of R programming for statistics where we are using R program to solve statistical problems. So अगर आपको R programming ये वीडियो किसके लिए ये वीडियो है for उन लोगों के लिए जिनको R programming सही से नहीं आता है and for everyone else as well because special for people who don't know R programming because मैं आपको एकदम basic से एकदम clearly सब कुछ सिखाऊंगी where you will have no doubts. Okay, for further doubt clearing and classes, mock test and guidance, you can always contact Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. The phone number is on your screen, which is 9836793076. So let's get started. Now we will over here see to some matrix. Matrix is something that we have done, and today I'll teach some functions related to matrix and things that you can do in less than 30 seconds. Yes, we can do matrix operations in less than 30 seconds. So let's get started. So this is the first matrix that I've made. We're using the function matrix. Then we run it. We have the matrix. Then we find the dimensions of the matrix. If we want, it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, we can access the elements of the matrix like the first row, second column. Supposedly we want to access. So in the square brackets we write 1 comma 2. This is 3. Then we want to say access a particular column. Say we want to access the second column. So we and run it, which is 3 1 5. Now we want to access multiple rows. So say we want to access first row also, second row also, with a combination of it. We are doing this. So we have 4 3 2 2 1 6. Now we have to create say another matrix. So I can show you different operations that can be done. So we are I'm creating another matrix like the same way, number of rows, number of columns, and the from 0 to 9 we run it. Next we will have been adding two matrices. So we will add TMP1 and TMP and TMP1 we can add. We run it and we have added the both matrices. Now we can multiply. So the like subtraction also we can use this subtraction sign, but multiplication we just can't add multiplication sign. We have to use percentage multiply percentage. And this is the square matrix we will get, which is simply the square matrix. So this is how simple it is. Now what we want to, if we want to multiply two different matrices, that also we can do. Same thing, simple, in just one line it's solved. Now how to find a determinant of a matrix, which was again something that we all had to, which is a lengthy process, but we can do here in 1 minute, less than 1 minute, for in 30 seconds, which is to use det. We will use det, run it, find a determinant, and then we can also transpose the matrix, means change the rows into columns into rows, using just a simple T, where we have changed the rows into columns into row of the original matrix. And the last is inverse of a matrix, how to solve it. Now that's actually a lengthy process. So, but over here we can just use solve to find the inverse of a matrix. We run it, and this is what a inverse looks like, which we have done in just under 2 seconds. And in this way we can solve all the matrix functions using function matrix problems, and hope this video is helpful. And for further videos and information, please check out this channel. So thank you.